This is MJ James again. This is my part 3 of saying good morning to you guys. So yesterday, I just would like to give you an update about what happened to me. I did a video about the cursed horror movies that you should never see, and then after that, something happened to me. Still a little bit under the weather right now. I'm still sick, and I feel a little bit weak and tired. So you guys, if ever you guys are into something, you're gonna do something that you think is a little bit dangerous, even if it's just videos or watching videos, or you're just gonna have to go out, please make sure first and foremost to pray for protection, for your guardian angels to know whatever it is that you're gonna do, you will be completely safe and guided by God. Alright, so that's it. That's all I'm gonna be saying for today. Please stay tuned sa lahat ng mga tao na aking re-resbakan for today. Alright, have a great day. Bye!